Hi there, welcome to the video. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing this lovely thin light, rechargeable, and this is the 60cm version that I bought that usually sticks in my cupboard, in my wardrobe, so I can see my clothes on a dark morning. So let's get into the review. So I wanted something that would kind of go in my wardrobe on a dark morning, just to see my clothes when I opened up the doors and things like that. And I was quite interested in these rechargeable items because I didn't want something that needed wiring and everything like that. So this is why I went for this item. Now obviously I bought this myself. I bought it from eBay. And here we have it on the screen now. I'll put a link in the description below to the exact one, and a link to more general ones as well if you want to have a look at these. Now I bought the 60cm one. I wanted quite a long one to fit in my wardrobe, but you can get various sizes. You can actually have them going up the stairs or under kitchen cabinets, anywhere you want really. So to start off with, when you unpack it, you need to charge it up. Now when you charge it up, you can put a normal phone charger on this. It's actually a USB-C connection, which is quite modern because even some things I buy nowadays aren't even USB-C connections. But yeah, it starts off with a red light on the PIR sensor, as you can see there. And then once it's fully charged, it will basically go to green. So you get a green light showing up, and then you can unplug it. There are two buttons on the end there. There's like an on-off button and like a cogwheel kind of setting button as well. So what the instructions say is that the cogwheel is basically for cycling through the different light temperatures. So you've got a white light, a warm light, and a neutral light as well. So you can cycle through those. Now if you hold the button down, you can control the brightness of the light as well. Now I put mine up to full brightness, and then sort of let go of it. The on-off button, basically that has sort of 4 modes on this one. So you can turn it on so it's on constantly all the time, so you could use it anywhere you want really, so it's not going to turn itself off. You could have it so that it enters a night sensing mode. Now this is the mode that I used for my wardrobe, so that it senses when it's night time. I open the doors and it comes on. Or there's an all-day mode where it will come on anytime you want it to. And then finally there's obviously the fourth button where you just, or fourth setting where you just turn it off really. And it does say, I don't know if you can see it right at the bottom there on the special instructions, setting the night mode, the light will only turn on when it senses humans and in low light environments, otherwise it won't turn on. So after you've charged it up, you'll find in the packet that there are 2 magnets attached to it. They're not mega strong magnets, but they do hold it up quite well. They've got sticky pads on the other side. So what you want to do is peel off the sticky pads and then stick it up to where you want it to go. And then you can easily, very, very easily, it's not hard to pull this off and then detach it and then recharge it when you need to, and then put it back in place once you've charged it. So this is my wardrobe, and I want to put the light underneath so it illuminates all my clothes. So all I need to do is take off the sticky pads and then place it in position. So I'm going to put it somewhere kind of halfway along. As you can see, it illuminates the clothes quite well. So a rough layout of where I'm going to kind of put it underneath, and then I'm going to take off the stickers and then install it. So I've stuck it in place and it's currently on. Got to make sure that I can get my clothes out with without banging into it, because it will probably come off if I bang into it too much. But I've got a good clearance there anyway to take my clothes off of the rail. But yeah, it seems to illuminate quite well. So the cupboard doors are closed. Now I just open them up. And on it comes. And now I can see my clothes in the dark, on those dark mornings when I don't want to put the light on. Now you can see I've got a gap between here, between the cupboard. That doesn't trigger it, the light doesn't trigger it at all, but eventually it will just turn itself off afterwards. There you go, it's turned off. So that was my quick review really of the light strip. I just wanted to show you it really because it's always a bit dubious spending money on these items, and you never know whether they're going to fail or whether they're going to work at all. And this does seem to work really well. I'm actually interested in buying a few more now for my wife's closet as well, for her wardrobe, where sometimes she gets up earlier than I do, about 6:30 in the morning, and she doesn't want to turn the light on and disturb me, so she could actually open her closet door and have the light just on to her, illuminate her clothes really. But as I say, these things can be used in loads of different places, whether you want to put them under kitchen cabinets or actually in bathrooms, you know, anywhere else, downstairs, anything like that. They seem to work really, really well. As I say, I've put a link in the description below to where I bought them from on eBay, but obviously you could buy them from somewhere like AliExpress as well if you wanted to. But that's all from me. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave us a comment and give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, of course. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.